I'm Patrick from Soltecs. We are a company. Since 2012 we are busy with solar panels, and 3 years now we are with batteries. Yeah, we had a one-time experience with SigenCare. There was an issue at the site with low ventilation because of the area where the Sigen store was placed. We got a phone from SigenCare that there was an issue on the site by a customer of us. So we take directly contact with the client and we solve the problem. Yeah, the customer was very surprised that Sigenergy was has that much focus on problems and issues on site, and quick response from Sigenergy. So, as installer, you're not every day, every hour busy with focusing on issues on site. Of course, you look to your sites and check if there are any issues in the dashboard, in the Sigen app. But Sigenergy is much quicker. So if they call us, there's an issue, we can go quick to the site and solve the problems. And since 1 year we are doing a lot of Sigenergy, and we see a good future to Sigenergy and Soltecs together.